My people, so today's video is gonna be starting with us opening our iftar, because obviously Islamically the day doesn't start in the morning. You know, usually you see these videos and they're all starting in the morning first thing. No, we're gonna start at Maghrib time. So today man's having a brisket. Wait, you guys can't see that. Can't see that. That is a brisket. No, it's not a brisket, it's ribs. Right, ribs is different to brisket, huh? Yeah, so I'm having ribs, alhamdulillah, and these banging nachos. Let me just open these for you. Oi. Honestly, alhamdulillah. Bang my iftar. We've prayed Maghrib, and inshallah, let's get the next steps going. Alhamdulillah, I'm done with the food. I'm not gonna lie, it was 10-10. If any one of you guys wanna check out ribs, 10-10 ribs, smoky boys. It don't look busy, but it does taste really nice, man. Honestly, I can't lie. So now we're off to tarawih. I don't know, man. I think I might be a bit late. Inshallah, I make it. Tarawih time. I will catch you guys shortly when I get there. Okay, so alhamdulillah, we've made it to tarawih. I don't want to speak too loud, you get me, like, can't be disturbing people. But we're here. Yeah. Oh, alhamdulillah, we're here. I think it's gonna be busy though, so yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys after tarawih, inshallah. Yeah, I can hear them. Gang. Tarawih is done. I did get late today, I can't lie. The food, iftari, all that, but we're here now. I'm gonna get an Uber. I'm gonna Uber home, inshallah, and then the rest of the night, man, I'm gonna keep you guys updated with tonight, and of course tomorrow. Most importantly, what happens tomorrow and how my day goes when I'm fasting in Ramadan. Right, my people, so it's coming up to 11 o'clock now. It's late, so I'm trying to keep it a bit down at the moment. Everyone's sleeping, but I want to try now for the next 1 or 2 hours, bang out some Quran, read some Quran, make some dua, ask for forgiveness. You know, listen, we all got to ask for forgiveness, but inshallah next 1 or 2 hours I'm going to try to do some ibadah and then sleep, and I'll catch you guys at Seri time, inshallah.
So obviously, as you guys can see, I was hella tired. Like, I was just about woke up. But yeah, I really, honestly, looking back, I was feeling it, man. I was just zonked out. Seri, alhamdulillah, it's alright. But yeah, I just drains me out sometimes. But I had shreddies. Shreddies is my go-to meal for Seri time. Let me know in the comments what you guys have, and I do try to get some yogurt in, because apparently if you have yogurt, you don't get thirsty in the day. Let me know if you guys think that's true as well. But yeah, that was me for Seri.
So imagine, yeah, I just woke up at, to be fair, I woke up at 10 o'clock today. And yeah, I woke up at 10 o'clock. You know, because of Ramadan and that, it's just so much easier to do a couple more hours in the night and then, you know, wake up a little bit early. It just makes sense. Alhamdulillah, I can do that obviously, because I'm able to be a little bit more flexible. So yeah, man, like, I'm not gonna lie, like, I went to sleep at like 1 o'clock, woke up for Seri, and then after that I just knocked out, and now it's getting a bit late. Woke up at 10 and we're getting into the offices, so inshallah I'll catch you there.
So I got into the office and I had a couple of things that I needed to sort of get at straight away. So that's what I got into. Had a couple of emails that I needed to go back to on some of my clients that had come back to me on feedback. So that's me just going over the emails and making sure I go back to them. And to be fair, me planning the rest of the morning, as well as my colleague cracking a few jokes with me. So it was making me laugh there as well. But that was a morning.
Oh, yeah.
On the way.
I've been asked, are you in tomorrow at all?
We're planning on thinking yes.
Yeah. I've been asked to set up a meeting between yourself, Annabelle, and our area manager.
Okay.
You're not the only one, there's a few as well. Any time between 10:30 and 4, take about half an hour. I don't know what it's about. But what would be a good time for you?
To be honest, I'm not sure. I have a few things tomorrow. Can I get back to you on that? I don't know.
That's fine. If you just send an email to
It's just a little bit short notice. I'm really not sure.
So I'm editing out this video right now and I'm leaving this bit in because I found it so funny because someone just came in and asked me if they could have a meeting, but you guys don't really get to see the side of me, that serious reply, that different tone. I just found it funny, you know? Usually I'm very bubbly, cheerful, etc. on my channel. So I thought I'd just leave that in and show you guys how I was without realizing that someone came in to speak to me about something. But yeah, I guess I can become serious at times as well. Anyway, the next bit on it, hilarious conversation. You guys need to listen to this next bit. My colleague, honestly, I don't know what's wrong with this guy, but yeah, just check this and listen to it.
Cause what was the thing you said we can't wear because it has gold in it? Rolex, innit? Yeah. Would they put gold in even a thingy Rolex?
Yeah. Checking it, you can check. Like, put in the thingy, does it have gold in it? Like, so.
I'm not gonna buy a Rolex, it's just good to know, innit? Oh, they probably do put it in, man, like somewhere, innit? But bro, how would they put gold in a silver one?
It's white gold, isn't it, you joke, man?
What? I thought you couldn't wear the gold. Wait,
gold is gold, white gold is gold, but just coloured white. That's what it is.
Oh, it's still gold. Why, bro? I could have told you that answer. What kind of a stupidity is that? I just thought it was silver cars. So you know it was silver, white, gold.
Bro, there is no such thing as silver, white gold. It's white gold.
The silver watch you knew was white gold.
No, I didn't know that.
What do you think it was made out of then, innit?
Platinum, which it is. No,
What?
it is. It's a lot of it is platinum, but the dials and stuff like that are white gold. That's what they're saying, you joke, man.
Yeah, like as in there's gold in it, bro, innit?
What?
There's gold in it, innit?
Yeah, there is
There's
gold
something
in it.
Okay, so it's sort of been a quiet morning, I can't lie. I've done my emails, done my organizing, chilled out a little. We played a bit of FIFA, which I kind of missed out, but we're going to bang some FIFA at 5 o'clock, so I'll show you that. We're now going to bang some sales calls. I'm going to get in some sales calls, call my clients up, find out what's going on. You know, are they needing anyone at the moment? Do I need to look for someone right now? And then in the afternoon, I'll start looking for candidates for my clients that I need to find for them. So inshallah, let's get right into sales calls.
So first, I had a call come in from one of my clients. She decided to give me a call because she was looking for someone and we needed to catch up regarding an existing role that the client had. So here I am just basically trying to understand exactly what she's looking for in this new person. We also ended up discussing the X role that she had on before. We sent a couple of CVs, not really had too much luck. So that was something I needed to discuss with her and just find out exactly what they're looking for in this person, in this CV, basically. And so we end up doing that, catching up, and then basically we finish off the conversation.
Yeah, no problem. No, I appreciate that, Sam. I'll leave you to it. I don't want to keep you too long, but no, I appreciate that. I'll sort of catch up with you later then. Amazing. Thanks, Ali. Cheers, bye.
And so here I basically carry on doing my sales calls. Well, when I say carry on, I started doing my sales calls. And it's interesting for me to actually mention here, although I have clients and I had clients telling me they're looking for people at the moment, it's still important for me to keep doing sales calls, keep bringing in new clients, keep making those calls, because you always want to sort of keep working on building new clients and new business. That's in essence how you grow. So I keep making my cold calls and try and bring new business on, basically.
All right, so I've caught up with a lot of my clients now. I've had a conversation with one of my clients. She's basically said they're looking for someone at the moment. It's a senior role. So I'm going to have to concentrate on that for the next couple of hours now. I've spoken to another company and they are not looking at the moment, but I need to send them more CVs because they were looking for a job and they're still looking. We still can't find them the right sort of person. A lot of the times what happens is like a client will give us a job. A client will be like, we're looking for someone, but we need to find the exact person they're looking for. Sometimes it happens within a day. Sometimes it can take a week, maybe even a month. And so inshallah, that's the plan for the next couple of hours. And then, yeah, I mean, I need to send one very important email. It's regarding the finances and credit control and that sort of side. So inshallah, I'm going to do that, send some CVs over. Hopefully, I'm going to send it in the morning. Now, the reason I send CVs in the morning is because if I send an email in the evening, a client is more likely to miss it. They're going home, they can't be asked, they don't want to read anything. So first thing in the morning, you know, it's on their desk, they're probably a bit more free and they'll give it a read. So that's the plan. Find some more candidates, send it in the morning. I'll probably schedule it tonight for the morning and then take it from there. But I'll catch you guys at 5. All right, so 5 o'clock, and you know what? Time to take it easy. Time to play some FIFA, and we're gonna bang some FIFA because this one's rubbish. Yeah, I'm winning 2-1. 3 more games because we play first to 5. And yeah, nice and easy. Nice and easy. He's rubbish, by the way. Terrible. I'll tell you honestly. I'll be done in 3 games, and then I'll show you guys how we got on at the end of 3 games. It's already 2-1 to me, the champ, the official champ. Okay, so it's home time, and obviously, I won.
Shut up.
Who won? Who won?
Boy, did you kill me now?
Who won?
You see you tomorrow, innit? Do every day. Do the video every day.
5-2, man. 5-2. You know, it's yeah. I don't know, man. I don't know. It is what it is. The champ is here. Anyway, anyone wants to play me on FIFA? Comment below. Let me know your PSNs. You know, if I got time, I'll whoop you guys. Nah, I'm joking. I'm humble, really. But anyway, I'm going home now. Alhamdulillah. Listen, it's been a good day. Recruitment is all about enjoying yourself, working hard when work is busy, but now, right now, it's ticking along. So it's coming up to now 6 o'clock. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna chill out at home for a little bit, and then most probably I'm gonna take a nap before iftar. Having said that though, I am going to try and wake up like 15-20 minutes before, because I kind of want to make the most of iftar and make that, of course. So to be fair, from there I actually ended up going home, going to sleep. I woke up about 20 minutes earlier. We did some ibadah and we called it a day. And that, my brothers and sisters, was the end of the day of me and my company in the day in Ramadan. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, if you guys can, like, share, subscribe, get it out, man, get it out. And, you know, let's grow the community so we can benefit each other. But that is all from me today. I will continue the content, inshallah, from next week. Wa jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.